Good morning, students. Now we are going to start a new chapter, and new chapter is neural control. Neural control and coordination. And neural control and coordination. And we can say that in this chapter we are studied about the nervous system of man. Nervous system of man. Nervous system of the man. First of all, we are talk about the homeostasis. Homeostasis. In this process, the function of the organ or a system in our body must be coordinated to each other. The function of our system in which body or a organ or organ system. In this process, our body or body organ work in a particular system, a particular process to maintain our body system. This system is known as, this process is known as homeostasis. And second one is coordination. Coordination, a process through which two or more organs interact to each other and complement the function of one another to each other. For example, when we do physical exercise and our body needed the more and more energy, then we need more oxygen, and this process to complete the demand of more oxygen, our breathing system is fast. It means respiration is fast, heartbeat is fast, and increasing the blood flow. And when we stop the physical exercise, all this process rate is decreased, and we get a normal condition. And this process is coordinated by a special type of system in our body, and the neural system is help in all this process. The neural system of our body help in this process. The neural system, it means the neural system provide an organized network. Neural system is provide a organized network of point to point connection for a quick coordination. And endocrine system provide a chemical integration through the hormones. And all this process studied in the neural system. It means neural system of all animals is composed of highly specialized cells, and these are known as the neurons. It means neuron is the basic unit of our neural system, and through these neurons we can detect, receive, and transmit different kinds of stimuli. It means all multicellular organisms have the receptive organs and mechanism they transmit throughout the body. throughout the body and perform the different type of function. This is known as the nervous system. Nervous system. And the nervous system is acting in them. The nervous system acting through a special type cells, which we discussed in the last point, is called neurons, and it means neuron is the functional unit of the cell. Now we are discussing the function of a nervous system. First means it operate and control the different type of function. It gives the information about external environment. Through the sensory organ. Third, it controls the voluntary muscles activities like running, and speaking. And next, it also regulates many involuntary activities like breathing, manage of food in the alimentary canal. And our nervous system is control the different type of body activities and coordinated by two systems. First is nervous system and second one is endocrine system. First, the nervous system is composed of mainly two parts, CNS and PNS. CNS is central nervous system and PNS is peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system have the brain and spinal cord, composed of brain and spinal cord. And PNS have the afferent fibers and efferent fibers. PNS is divided into two divisions. One is somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. And autonomic nervous system divided into the two parts, sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. First, CNS, PNS. CNS is brain and spinal cord, and PNS is afferent fibers and efferent fibers, and PNS is somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. CNS is composed of brain and spinal cord, and it is the site of information processing and control. And PNS comprise the all nerves of the body comprise the all nerves of the body associated with the CNS that composed of control of the all body processing that is connected with the CNS. And the nerve pairs afferent fibers and efferent fibers. The afferent fibers transmit impulse. The afferent fibers transmit impulse from tissues or organ to the CNS. To the tissues and from tissues and organ to the CNS. Efferent fibers transmit regulatory impulse from CNS to the concerned peripheral nervous tissue organ. And the PNS is divided into the two parts: somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system, and sympathetic and nervous system. And next is the human nervous system is. In the human nervous system, we are studying about the brain and the spinal cord. Brain and the spinal cord. When we are discussing about the central nervous system, we are studying about the brain and spinal cord. And we are studied about this in the next video. Thanks and have a nice day.